What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video I have a very unique one that I have not posted about in a very long time. I was able to finally get my hands on another pair of Yeezys, and this time it was the Yeezy 350 V2 Israfil. I was so happy that I finally won the lottery. Actually, my husband did too, so we did a little bit of twinning, and I'm going to show you everything that I love about the Israfil. I'm going to talk about the size that I got, the colorway, the up-close details, and everything in between. In addition to doing an unbox and review of this shoe, I'm also going to throw in a couple of outfits that I put together that I feel really complement this beautiful colorway. So if you are interested in seeing the Yeezy 350 V2 and the Israfil colorway on the feet and with some outfits I put together, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and unbox these bad boys. I am so excited because this is a very unique colorway that, depending on how you see the colors, in some outfits with some colors next to it, it looks blue, and with some it looks green. It's very, very unique yet neutral. I feel like I say that every time, but it is, I think, even more wearable than the Desert Sage. So without further ado, the 350 V2 and Israfil colorway. I got mine in a size 7.5. There we go. And here they are, so beautiful. Look at that color. OMG. Okay, so I did notice when I was watching some of the other reviews that they said now they come with some card. I don't really know what this is supposed to mean. A special knitting process creates one of a kind prime knit upper for every pair, ensuring nobody else has one just like these. Okay, well, there's that. And then it also comes with an extra pair of laces, and these are just the regular standard laces if you would like those. And this color is magnificent. It's like these pillows. It's a true vanilla bone color. I love that. But let's talk about the shoes. Like I mentioned, I got mine in a size 7.5. It does come with this tag on the outside that shows the US sizes as well as all of the other sizes. So it is a male 7.5. I wear and get this question so many times. I wear women's 8.5. I always suggest to go down one whole size. If I've said it once, I've said it 1,000 times. It's okay. I'll say it 2,000 times if I need to. But without a doubt, every single time with every pair I've ever purchased, going down one size is perfect. So these are, like I said, very unique. I will show you one of them on the side and then one of them down. So obviously you can see the interior looks very periwinkle blue, but also from this exact ankle on the rubber sole, it looks green, does it not? But then you look at this angle and you can see the blue, and this also looks more of a hazy periwinkle blue color. So it's very diverse and very unique in my opinion. I love that from every angle they really do look different. I believe, in my opinion, this is the most contrasting color I have in my collection personally. Between the color of the outside here, between the colorway on the sole here, between the stripe here, the laces, there's just so many different colors, yet they all go cohesively together. That's what I really like about this shoe. I also love that when they do have the different colors knitted in, it is a nice contrast here, so it's not all blending into one color. In my other Yeezys, I feel like there's, you know, 4 different shades of gray knitted together, but here there's a direct contrast. So you have the bone color and then a nice contrast of this line down here in the middle, and then another contrast of this bright camel color on the side, but again, all neutral colors and all blending together really well. I also love the fact that they have these laces. I love this shoe simply because it's a slip-on. Now that they've added like no tie laces, you don't have to worry about them ever coming untied because mine come untied all the time. So they've like perfected the actual everyday use of this shoe. So I really just think the design is perfection. I love the wide toe. I think that it's super comfortable. Everything about these shoes really are amazing, and I really do feel like they're worth the $220. I know that they wash and wear well. My husband takes out the soles all the time and washes them and puts them back in. We've had no issues. I just really am happy with every pair of Yeezys that I have. So these are a nice addition to the collection. I did some nice shots that I'm going to show you after this so you can see them up close, personal, on the feet, outside, in the nice natural light. So you really can get an up close and personal look at all of these variations of colors on the feet and not in front of all of the bright lights. I also do like, it depends on the style that they come out with, but sometimes this is not mesh and see-through, sometimes it is see-through, but also sometimes they put these nice perforated holes in there, and I think that is a perfect addition to the contrasting colors that they have going on here. So it kind of goes in tandem with that because you have the contrasting colors and then the perforated holes, so lots of texture going on, and that is probably my most favorite part about this pair compared to others is, like I said, there's so many multi-dimensional colors and textures layered on top of one another. That really makes for a unique yet beautiful piece of art, in my opinion. The color of the stripe on the side is a very mustardy camel color. It's not a true mustard, but it's not a true camel. Again, there is a clear mesh piece on top of it, so you really aren't getting the true color of it, as well as the fact that this is super see-through and mesh, so it kind of breaks up that color, and then the perforations also break up that color. So it's really not one solid stripe, although it looks that way from far away. As you can see, it really is broken down into different textures of that color. But it's got the beautiful gum bottom and this really nice neutral color. You can really see this displayed well when I show you the shots of when I have them on outside on the feet. It's just really, really nice, and I love them. I'm really glad that I won the lottery on these. I'm definitely going to be keeping them. I will not be selling them. So if you can get your hands on a pair of these, I would highly suggest that you do. Again, for all of my neutral girl lovers out there, these will be perfect with jeans. I threw in a couple of outfits after I showed them on my feet outside just for a little inspiration for those of you who love lookbooks and fashion with your Yeezys. But I just think these are really, really good addition to have. These are available on StockX and Goat. I don't know if you're familiar with those websites or apps. I personally, if I do buy them when I don't win the raffle, I do order them from StockX. I like them. They're quick shipping. They're nice and simple and easy to facilitate as far as the application, and you can get your Yeezys certified and make sure that they are real and genuine. Last but certainly not least, again, I know I'm repeating myself, but just for those of you who are confused about the sizing, always remember, because they are men's, size down one size. Just remember that if you are a woman and you are getting these shoes, make sure to size down one size. Alright, you guys, that completes my unboxing and review of the Yeezy 350 V2 in the Israfil color. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. As always, I will leave everything about this shoe and where I purchased it in the description box down below. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.